Welcome back. In the first episode, we explored the fundamentals of controlling your subconscious mind, including visualization, affirmations, and meditation. Today, we're diving even deeper into advanced techniques to help you master your subconscious and unlock your full potential. If you haven't seen the first episode yet, I highly recommend checking it out first. And do me a favor by subscribing to my channel for more psychology insight. Now, let's level up and take control of your mind like never before. In episode 1, we talked about the subconscious mind as the powerhouse of your thoughts, habits, and beliefs. In this episode, we'll focus on advanced strategies to enhance that control, including creating rituals, leveraging brainwave states, and using sensory triggers to reprogram your mind faster and more effectively. 1. Brainwave entrainment, tuning your mind for optimal states. Your brain operates at different frequencies throughout the day, which affect your state of mind. For example, when you're calm and focused, your brain operates in alpha waves. During deep sleep, it switches to delta waves. For creativity and access to the subconscious, the theta wave state is the most effective. How brainwave entrainment works. Brainwave entrainment involves listening to sound frequencies like binaural beats or isochronic tones, which guide your brain to a specific state. When your brain locks onto that frequency, it becomes easier to reprogram your subconscious. Action steps. 1. Choose the right tool. Use apps or platforms like YouTube, Calm, or Brain.fm that offer binaural beats or guided meditations. 2. Time it right. Listen in the morning to start your day focused. Use theta waves during meditation for creative problem solving. Try delta waves at night to enter deep relaxation and healing. 3. Combine it. Enhance the effect by journaling, meditating, or visualizing while listening to brainwave tracks. Example, while journaling about your goals, listen to a theta wave track to enhance your subconscious receptivity and make your affirmations more powerful. 2. Anchoring with sensory triggers, creating powerful associations. Our senses, sight, smell, touch, taste, and sound are directly tied to memory and emotion, making them an incredible tool for reprogramming your subconscious. When you pair a specific sensory experience with a positive thought or feeling, your brain creates a neural link. How to anchor sensory triggers. 1. Identify your anchor. Choose a sensory experience that resonates with you, a soothing scent like lavender or citrus, a tactile object like a smooth stone, bracelet, or even the texture of fabric, a piece of music, or a specific sound. 2. Pair it with your practice. Use your chosen anchor while meditating, repeating affirmations, or visualizing your goals. 3. Reinforce it over time. Consistency is key. Use your anchor daily to strengthen the association. Example, if you use lavender essential oil while meditating on confidence, over time, simply smelling lavender will trigger feelings of self-assurance. Advanced tip, create different anchors for different goals. For example, use a specific scent for calmness and relaxation. Use a tactile object like a bracelet for focus and determination. Hey there, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support our content and ensures you don't miss out on future videos. And if you want to dive deeper into this topic, check out the link in the description for exclusive resources. Now, let's get back to the video. 3. Writing your future self script, designing your ideal reality. Our brains are wired to respond to stories. Writing your future self script is about crafting a narrative where you've already achieved your goals, creating a mental blueprint for your subconscious to follow. How to write your script. 1. Visualize your ideal life. Spend 5 to 10 minutes imagining your dream scenario. Picture every detail, where you are, what you're doing, how you feel. 2. Describe it in present tense. Write your script as if you're already living that life. For example, I wake up every morning feeling energized, knowing I'm making an impact in my dream career. 3. Focus on emotions. Include how you feel, joyful, confident, peaceful. Because emotions are the language of the subconscious. 4. Reread or rewrite it daily. Start your day by reading your script aloud to prime your mind for success. Example, a section of your script might read, "Today, I confidently lead my team at work." We're creating innovative solutions, and I feel deeply fulfilled knowing my work is making a difference. Pro tip: add visuals to your script, like drawing small symbols or attaching pictures that align with your vision. 4. Environmental cues, shaping your surroundings for success. 3. Incorporate inspiration. Our environment constantly sends signals to our brain, either supporting or detracting from our goals. By consciously designing your surroundings, you can reinforce the messages you want to send to your subconscious. How to create a goal-oriented environment. 1. Vision boards. Create a visual collage of your goals using images, quotes, and affirmations. Place it somewhere you'll see it every day. 2. Declutter. A clean, organized space encourages clarity of thought. Remove items that distract or create stress. 3. Incorporate inspiration. Hang motivational quotes or posters. Use desktop wallpapers or phone backgrounds that align with your goals. 4. Sensory environment. Play soothing music or white noise to create a calm atmosphere. Add plants, candles, or lighting to create a positive vibe. Example: if your goal is financial success, your vision board might include pictures of thriving businesses, luxury items, or a specific number you want in your bank account. 5. Dream programming. Rewiring your mind while you sleep. Your subconscious is most active during sleep, processing the day's experiences and emotions. Dream programming leverages this receptive state to plant positive messages and goals into your mind. How to practice dream programming. 1. Set an intention before sleep. Write down or repeat an affirmation or goal before bed. For example, I am confident and successful in my work. 2. Use guided audio. Listen to a guided meditation or binaural beats designed for sleep and subconscious programming. 3. Visualize before sleeping. Spend a few minutes picturing your goal as though it's already achieved. 4. Track your dreams. Keep a notebook by your bed to record dreams upon waking. They often contain insights or ideas from your subconscious. Example: if you're working on improving self-confidence, your nighttime affirmation might be, I am worthy, capable, and radiate confidence. Combine this with a relaxing theta wave track as you drift off. Pro tip: over time, your subconscious will begin to align your actions and emotions with the goals you set during this process. Advanced techniques come with their own challenges. Here's how to handle common roadblocks. 1. Inconsistency. Create a daily routine and stick to it. 2. Doubt. Trust the process and focus on small, tangible results. 3. External negativity. Surround yourself with supportive people and positive influences. Here's how you can integrate these advanced techniques into your daily life. 1. Start your day with brainwave entrainment or sensory triggers. 2. Use your future self script as part of your journaling practice. 3. Set up environmental cues in your workspace or home. 4. End your day with dream programming. Consistency is key. Commit to these practices, and you'll notice profound changes in how you think, feel, and act. These advanced techniques are designed to take your subconscious mastery to the next level. Remember, the more you practice, the more you'll unlock your potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below about which technique you're most excited to try. Wishing you all a productive and transformative 2024. Let's continue this journey together. See you in the next episode. And if you haven't watched the first episode, go and check it out.